everyone, Rachel here from ChefsTemp. Here's where you should put the stand, the base of your ProTemp Plus. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or cleaning it up after a use, the ProTemp Plus stand is water resistant, not waterproof. Please care for it by storing it in a dry and cool place. You can also have it near an outlet for easy charging. The Pro will charge while it sits in its place. The rechargeable stand will last 80 to 100 hours on a full charge. And if you want to move it closer to your cooking or your barbecuing fun, you certainly can. For more information on any of our amazing ChefsTemp products and the ProTemp Plus, visit our website and subscribe to our channel. ChefsTemp always gets you to the perfect temperature every time.